Hi, I'm Tushna. I lead product development for all direct-to-customer channels at Rebel Foods, including the Eat Sure app and website. Rebel is the world's largest and fastest-growing internet restaurant company with many loved brands like Beru's Biryani, Faso's Wraps and Rolls, Oven Story Pizza. So on our own channels, we control the end-to-end customer experience. We really want to use this as a platform to tell our brand story as well as educate customers about features that are unique to our platform. And in our industry, we also have a very rapid pace of launching new food products based on certain seasonality, festivals, or emerging customer tastes. So with all these things, we had to make pretty tough trade-off decisions between our pace of experimentation and how many things we could launch in a particular year, as well as how nimble we could be in terms of our marketing and growth campaigns, because all these things eat up engineering bandwidth. So we really wanted a solution that could allow our marketing growth and product teams to be completely self-sufficient. We also wanted to have a lot more contextual nudges within the app and within the customer journey, which is generally more effective for conversion. We evaluated a few other tools, but Plotline stood out for a couple of reasons. The first one was because of the way that we could trigger campaigns within Plotline based on very real-time actions. So for instance, if a user had added a particular product to their cart, or if they had maybe browsed a restaurant but then gone back to the homepage not finding what they were looking for, we could use these in-session triggers to be able to surface relevant content to our users. On Eat Sure, we have a large range of products that are available to our customers on buy one get one offers. Customers really love this feature and it leads to higher retention as well. What we noticed from buying behavior and from customer reviews though, was that not all customers was getting the fact that the buy one get one was available across the brands and not limited to a single brand. So we wanted a contextual nudge to customers that could allow them to discover this key differentiator of Eat Sure. And what we did based on Plotline's triggering ability was that as a customer added a buy one get one product, say from a Faso's brand to their cart, we were able to immediately surface a nudge to them, telling them that they could get a buy one get one across a variety of brands as well if they chose. So the nudge worked really well. In addition, with all of this, we were able to test and get to a winning variant within just 4 or 5 days. And that variant actually resulted in about a 3x increase in the customers who were adding buy one get one products from different restaurants as well. And Plotline really also went beyond just the traditional banner and bottom sheet. For instance, for Eat Sure, we extensively use the in-app surveys feature, and we can roll this out to customers and keep getting insights on what our customers like and dislike. Sometimes the insights from these surveys also help us make very key business decisions. Another use case was that we wanted customers with sufficient balance in their Eat Sure wallets to have a little visibility of this information upfront in the journey. Typically, when you have balance in your wallet, you have to get to the end of an ordering journey or even all the way to the payments page to even know that you have that balance. But if customers knew that they had balance in the wallet, they were likely to convert at around 30-40% higher than normal. So we used feature of Plotline to be able to surface this to customers on the homepage itself. We were able to configure what level of balance the customers had in their wallet to trigger this. Not only were we able to show this information to our customers, but we were able to experiment different formats of showing it to customers on the homepage. So we were able to test a number of variants quite quickly to know what kinds of copies were working, and also whether the nudge should persist for a long period of time, should the user auto-dismiss it, and also how many times per user we should ideally be showing the nudge. So with all of this, we tried a floating button first versus more of a sticky banner, and we found that the latter outperformed the former because it allowed customers to see more information in that same space. Secondly, what we found with Plotline was just a very easy user interface for even a new person to get used to setting up a campaign, an A/B test, or measuring the performance of what they were trying to launch. The SDK integration of Plotline was also incredibly smooth. It took just a few days for our team to be able to integrate this within the app. After we integrated it, the performance of the app had absolutely no negative impact or increase in loading time. And the best part of it is that whenever now we want to roll out some new feature or test it to our customers, we are not dependent on an app release. So if someone thinks of something in the morning, they can execute it in just a couple of hours and customers can start experiencing it immediately. So when these kind of capabilities are at your fingertips and you can launch something and within a couple of days actually see how customers are responding to it and take actions, it leaves you feeling much more motivated to try more things. So we have across our marketing, growth and product teams, people who are much more motivated to go ahead and try building new features that can help our customers because they are not dependent on engineering or other teams to empower them to do that. This has helped us actually quicken the pace of experimentation significantly this last year on Eat Sure.